If you want to transfer money online with Deutsche Bank, the process is simple once you log in. Start by opening Deutsche Bank online, banking on your computer or mobile browser, and sign in with your credentials. From the main menu, go to the Transfers or Payments section. If you're sending money within Germany, select the Domestic Transfer option, then enter the recipient's IBAN, the transfer amount, and an optional payment reference. If you're making an international transfer, you'll need both the recipient's IBAN and their SWIFT or BIC code, along with the amount and purpose of payment. Double-check every detail before moving forward to avoid mistakes or delays. Once everything looks correct, confirm the transfer using the Deutsche Bank Photo TAN app or your TAN device for security. After confirmation, you'll get a message that your transfer has been scheduled or processed. Domestic SEPA transfers usually arrive the next business day, while international transfers may take a few days depending on the destination bank. If you want to review or track the transfer, just check your transaction history or payment overview in online banking. That's it. Log in, enter the details, confirm with TAN, and your money's on its way. Like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.